Hello, welcome to Microeconomics within Tuttle. We are continuing with the income and substitution effect, but this time we are looking at the Giffen good. That is, a good whose demand curve slopes upward. So in this illustration, we are given two goods, that is clothing and food. We also given the budget line, RS, and the indifference curve, U1, and the consumer basket is at point A. The question is, what is the effect of a decrease in the price of food on the consumer basket, given that food is a given good? So when the price of food decreases, the real purchasing power of food increases, and this leads to an outward rotation of the budget line, RS, and it rotates to RT. Let us draw it, RT. And our new indifference curve, that is U2, it's now tangent to RT, and the consumer basket is at point B. So we can see here that at point B, consumption has actually decreased by F1, F2. This already says to us it is an inferior good, because as the purchasing power increases, the consumption of food decreases. Remember, the initial consumption is OF1, and now the consumption is OF2. What about the substitution effect? Remember that a decrease in the price of food will lead to an increase in the consumption of food, but with the level of utility held constant at U1, at indifference curve U1. So we draw a budget line that is parallel to RT and tangent to U1. And we can see now this is at point D. At point D, consumption of food has actually increased by F1E. So let us break this down into the substitution effect and the income effect. So the substitution effect shows an increase in the consumption of food from OF1 to OE. So our substitution effect is F1E. And this is associated, let us first label it. It is F1E. That's our substitution effect. And it is associated with a move from A to D. What about our income effect? Our income effect is EF2. Because and this is associated with a move from point D to point B. And the total effect is shown by F1, F2. That is a decrease in the consumption of food when the price of food decreases. So in conclusion, we can say that food is an inferior good. And when the income effect is larger than the substitution effect, the demand curve will slope upward. And that is what is called the Giffen good. I hope this lesson clarified what a Giffen good is, and you will be able to draw and explain it during exams or tests. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like, to subscribe, and to comment.